Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to study our pupil book unit number 3 and 4. Unit 3 is about a noun. As we all know that what is a noun? Noun is a name of any person, place, thing or animal like a cat, boy, cupboard, pen, Lahore, Islamabad, fan, etc. etc. Okay, around you there are too many nouns. Okay, now we will study about the collective noun. Okay, collective noun is a special name for a group of nouns. Okay, or collective noun is a word used to name a group of people, animals or things. Okay, for example, a herd of cows. Okay, a flock of birds, a bunch of keys, a swarm of flies, a fleet of ships. uh, yes, okay, in these all examples, okay, herd, flock, bunch, swarm and fleet, these all are the groups of animals or things. Okay, so these all words are the collective noun. Okay, there are too much other collective noun like a class of students, a troop of monkeys. Class and troop is a collective noun. Okay, and these are the group of monkeys and students. Okay, so which refers to a group of monkeys. Troop is a refers to a group of monkeys. Okay, like in this for exercise, choose a word from the box to go with each collective noun. There are some words given, collective nouns: books, trees, walls, sheep, flowers and cows. These are the nouns. Okay, and here are some words which are collective noun. Okay, now you can write, select the suitable noun for the collective noun. A forest of dash: books, trees, wolves, sheep, flowers, cows. Forest of trees. A herd of cows. A bunch of flowers. A flock of sheep. A pack of wolves. And a library of books. Okay, now this is another exercise, that what would you expect to find in each of these groups. Okay, now here are also some collective noun and you put correct noun over here. Okay, one is an army of, these are the soldiers, so we can write as an army of soldiers. A crew of sailors. Okay, a pride of lions. An orchestra of musicians. A bouquet of flowers. A gaggle of ducks. Okay, now there is another example. Sometimes we use the same collective noun for two different groups. Find two things for each collective noun. Now here, a pack of wolves and lions. Okay, a herd of cows and hens. These are the groups. Okay, collective noun. A bunch of flowers and keys. A flock of birds and sheep. Okay, now choose three collective nouns from A and use each collective noun in a sentence of your own. Now you used some words from here in the sentences and write them in your notebook. Okay, now here is unit number 4, which is a verb. Okay, verb are actions. Okay, verbs are doing words. Verbs tells us that what people are doing. Okay, verb are an actions that we do in our daily life, like eat, drink, run, sleep, jump, fight, etc. Action words tells us that what someone or something does or what people are doing. Like this boy is singing. He is singing. So what is he doing? He is singing. So singing is an action verb. So singing is a verb. What she is doing? She is reading. So reading is a action. So it is verb. What it is doing, it is running. What they are doing, they are riding. So running and riding are the verbs. Okay. Now there is exercise. Choose a verb from the box to go with each picture. If jumping or swimming or drinking, is writing, is kicking, is sleeping. From here you can see in this picture what she is doing. She is writing on a diary. So here you can write she is writing. Here what the boy is doing, he is kicking the ball. So here you can write he is kicking. Okay. What they are doing, they are drinking. So here you can write they are drinking. What they are doing, they are swimming. It is jumping. It is sleeping. Okay. Now on this page, as you can see here, write the verb in each sentence. Now circle the verbs over here. The ship is sailing on the sea. The clock is tickling loudly. The wind is blowing the leaves about. I am reading my book. They are playing a game. In all these 5 sentences, what are the verbs over here? Just circle them. Okay. Now write the present tense verbs. You can add ing with these verbs. Like this is an example. The one is done for you, like hop. She is hopping. HOPPING, hopping. Now smiling. We are smiling. Okay. So what is the over we write here? Smiling. 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 They are clapping. 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 Wave. Waving. 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 She is baking. 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 We write in the present tense. Now next is copy the sentences. Choose a verb of your own to fill each group. Okay. Now you can write here the verb. Okay. I am dash sand castles on the beach. I am making sand castles on the beach. The snow dash dash very quickly. The snow is melting very quickly. He dash dash his bicycle. He is riding his bicycle. We dash dash outside in the summer. We are going outside in the summer. The dog dash dash the cat. The dog is chasing the cat. Okay, this is all about today. Allah Hafiz.